We are super excited to announce that the M2M WhatsApp EV Charger bot has been nominated for the Innovation Award at the 2024 London EV Show. This groundbreaking solution combines AI with WhatsApp and a CMP to allow drivers to book and pay for a charging session using WhatsApp. Simply send a message with your unique charging station ID to initiate the process. Our AI chatbot will guide you through the available chargers, connector options, and payment methods. Opt for the using money option and receive a payment link for a seamless transaction. Once payment is confirmed, you'll get a receipt instantly. Connect to the charger as instructed, kickstart your charging session, and upon completion, receive a warm thank you message for choosing our WhatsApp EV Charger bot. Built for technology partners and resellers, our solution seamlessly integrates with CMPs, featuring a unique bring-your-own payment gateway aspect. This enhancement offers an immediate competitive edge, streamlining operations, boosting brand value, and guaranteeing uninterrupted payment processes with your preferred gateway. Embrace this straightforward yet powerful solution to provide the convenience your customers seek and expand your reach to a broader audience. Get in touch with our team of AI chatbot specialists to schedule a custom demonstration of the M2M WhatsApp EV Charger bot. This solution is tailor-made for collaborations, equipped with cutting-edge technology that will elevate your business to new heights. Reach out today and unlock the potential of your business.